Hi, welcome to my channel. Our today topic is nutrition. So in this video I will discuss the most important MCQs related to nutrition. Through these MCQs you can learn the full chapter in a short time. So let's start the video. Our first MCQs is dash are the materials that organisms obtain and use for maintaining life. Our options are sunlight, water or nutrition. So the material that organisms obtain and use for maintaining life are nutrients. The right option is nutrients. For plants, dish is also very important. Nutrients, garden or food. So for plants, nutrients is also very important. The right option is A. Dish is the storehouse of these minerals. Air, water, or soil. So nutrients are always found in the soil from which plants can get easily. So the right option is soil. Soil is the storehouse of these minerals. Dash is the process that how plants get minerals and where they use. Mineral nutrition, malnutrition are none. So the process that allow how plants get minerals and where they use are the mineral nutrients. The right option is A. Mineral nutrition. Nutrients is classified into dash macronutrients, micronutrients, or both. So nutrients are classified into two main categories, which are macronutrients and micronutrients. So the right option are both. The nutrients which are required in larger quantities are called dash macronutrients, micronutrients, are both. So the nutrients which are required in a larger quantities are called macronutrients. So the right option is A. Macronutrients are dash in number 7, 8 or 9. So macronutrients are dash in number 9 in number. The right option is C. The nutrients which are required in lower quantities are called dash macronutrients, malnutrition or micronutrients. So the nutrients which are required in a lower quantities are called micronutrients. The right option is C. Our next MCQs is micronutrients are dash in number. So micronutrients are 8 in number while macronutrients are 9 in number. Macronutrients are dash. So macronutrients are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, potassium, nitrogen, sulfur, calcium and magnesium. These 9 are called the macronutrients which are required in a larger quantities. The micronutrients are iron, molybdenum, boron, copper, magnesium, zinc, chlorine, nickel. These are the micronutrients which are required in less quantities. Dash is the major component of protein, hormones, chlorophyll, vitamins, and enzyme for plants. So carbon, hydrogen, or nitrogen. The right option is the nitrogen is the major component required for protein, hormones, chlorophyll, vitamins, and enzyme for plants. Too much nitrogen supply can dash flowering and fruit production. So too much nitrogen can fast delay or increase flowering and fruit production. So the right option is delay. Too much nitrogen can delay flowering and fruit production. Deficiency of dash can cause yellowing of leaves and stunted growth. So deficiency of nitrogen, hydrogen or carbon. So the right option is nitrogen. Deficiency of nitrogen can cause yellowing of leaves and stunted growth. Plants require dash to form chlorophyll. Our options are nitrogen, magnesium or hydrogen. So plants require magnesium to form chlorophyll. For chlorophyll, magnesium is the essential part. Deficiency of magnesium in plants lead to dash. Chlorosis, necrosis are both. So deficiency of magnesium cause chlorosis. The right option is chlorosis. Dash is a condition in which leaves produce insufficient chlorophyll. Chlorosis, necrosis are none. So the right option is chlorosis. Chlorosis is a condition in which leaves production insufficient chlorophyll. Dash is the nutrients which are added to soil for plants growth. So the fertilizer is the nutrients which are added to soil for plants growth. It is the definition of fertilizer. Fertilizer are classified into dash. So fertilizer are classified into organic and inorganic fertilizer. Dash are derived from plants and animals. So organic fertilizer or inorganic fertilizer. So the right option is organic fertilizer are derived from plants and animals. Inorganic fertilizer are derived from dash. So inorganic fertilizer are derived from chemical compounds. Dash increase soil salinity and acidity. Organic fertilizer, inorganic fertilizer are both. So inorganic fertilizer increase soil salinity and acidity. The right option is B. For human, dash are major source of energy. So for human, carbohydrates are major source of energy, or protein or fats. So the right option is carbohydrates. For human, carbohydrates are the major source of energy. We obtain chlorophyll in the form of dash, fats, starch, or glucose. So we obtain carbohydrates in the form of starch. If 1 gram carbohydrates fully oxidized, it produces dash energy. So if 1 gram of carbohydrates fully oxidized, it produces 4 kilocalories energy. Glucose is converted into dash to store in muscles. So glucose is converted into glycogen to store in muscle. Dash are required for growth and repair. So protein are required for growth and repair. Protein are made up of simple units called dash. So protein are made up of simple units called amino acid. There are about dash different types of amino acid. 10, 20 or 30. So there are about 20 different types of amino acid. The right option is B. Dash are the major part of muscles, ligaments and tendons. Protein are the major part of muscle, ligaments and tendons. The right option is protein. 1 gram of protein contains dash of energy 4 kilocalories, 5 kilocalories or 5 calories. So 1 gram of protein contains 4 kilocalories of energy. The right option is A. When amino acids are broken down, they release nitrogen in the form of dash, urea or ammonia. So when ammonia acids are broken down, they release nitrogen in the form of ammonia. The right option is B. When amino acid. Fats belong to a group of organic compound called dash. Fats belong to a group of organic compound called lipids. The right option is lipids. Fats contain dash. So fats contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. These all are present in the fats. So the right option is all. 1 gram of fats produce dash energy. So 1 gram of fats produce 9 kilocalories energy. Fats are stored in the cells of dash tissue. So fats are stored in the cells of adipose tissue. Fats also help in dash. So fats also help in digestion and transport of vitamins. Our body cannot manufacture dash. So our body cannot manufacture vitamins. We always take vitamins from the outside environment in the form of vegetables or fruits. Vitamins are divided into dash. So vitamins are divided into fat soluble and water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins are dash. So fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, D, vitamin E and K. These are fat soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins are vitamin B and C. Dash vitamins are not stored in our body. Water soluble or fat soluble. So the right option is water soluble. Water soluble vitamins are not stored in our body. Deficiency of vitamins dash cause vision problem. So deficiency of vitamin dash, vitamin A, E or K. So deficiency of vitamin A cause vision problem. The right option is A. Vitamin A is essential for eyes. Dash is required for growth in body tissue. Vitamin C is required for growth in body tissues. Dash maintain normal blood level of calcium and phosphorus, vitamin A, vitamin D, and vitamin E. So the right option is vitamin D, maintain normal blood level of calcium and phosphorus. Dash are originated earth and cannot be made in the body. Vitamins, minerals are calcium. So originated from the earth and cannot be made in the body. So the right option is minerals. The minerals required in the amount of 100 mg or more per day called dash. So the minerals which are required in the amount of 100 or more per day are called major minerals. The minerals which are required less than 100 grams per day are called trace minerals. These are required in lesser quantities, trace minerals. About 99% of calcium of the body are stored in dash. So about 99% of the calciums of body are stored in the bone tissue. Deficiency of calcium cause dash, osteoporosis or rickets. So deficiency of calcium cause both osteoporosis and rickets. These both are caused by deficiency of calcium, and these both are the diseases of bones. Low iron level cause dash. So low iron level cause anemia. Human have dash water in body 70% or 90%. So human have dash 70% water in body. The right option is A. Dash act is a soluble for the reactants of metabolism. Water act is a soluble for the reactants of metabolism. Plantia reserve food in the form of dash. So plantia reserve food in the form of starch. In average, adults require about dash liter water per day. So in average, adults require about dash liter 1 or 2. So the right option is 2 liters water per day. Dash is a great stabilizer of body temperature. So in every human body, in every animals, water is a great stabilizer of body temperatures. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.